We've just had our petition. We were at item 12 today in court number 1, and the petition again was seeking an exemption under section 12 of the Animal Slaughter Act by 1951, for which a notification had been given on the 13th of May. And since the festival of Bakri Eid is either on the 27th or the 28th, very little time remains. So under the section 12, there is an exemption that the government can give. So we've asked for that exemption to allow for bullocks, bulls and buffaloes to be exempted for the purposes of this festival. And also, as you know, on the other side, the entire rural economy, the dairy business, the rural economy, it's a demand and supply business, and this is not something that a large section of the population has been ready for this, not just with 10 days. People prepare for this for the whole year, and poor families prepare for this for the full year. So a very large part of the rural economy has been destabilized because on one side you have large communities of cow rearers, who are involved in the cattle rearing business, who suddenly now have nowhere to go. And on the other side you have one of the two most important festivals for the Muslim community, in which they have already prepared. So basis on that, we are seeking exemption under section 12. And so we mentioned it, and we have filed our petition through our Honourable MLA from Raghunath Ganj, Akur Jaman Shah, and the petition has been bunched with a lot of other petitions. The Chief Justice, His Lordship, said that we will hear everybody tomorrow at 10:30 as the first item, and the state has been asked to take full instruction and that there will be no further delay on the matter. It will be heard in its entirety tomorrow.